Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join your first alliance in WestGame 2. Starting your journey in WestGame 2 can feel overwhelming at first, especially when you are playing solo. One of the most important steps to progress faster and enjoy the game more is joining an alliance. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open WestGame 2 application on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the public chat option at the bottom of the screen, and then this will open up the message tab. From here, go to Alliance at the top of the screen and click on Join Alliance. In order to join an alliance, click on the Join button at the bottom left and select an alliance you'd like to join into. You can also enter the name of the alliance in the text box at the top or find one from the suggested list and tap on it. After you do that, you'll then be able to see the alliance's info section. Tap on Apply at the bottom left corner, but remember that alliances might require approval and might require you to complete certain level for your town center. Go ahead and find the alliance that is perfect for you, click on the Join or Apply button. If you meet the necessary requirements, you'll then be able to join the alliance correctly and quickly. After you do that, you should see the alliance chat unlocked, alliance help option available, and alliance name next to your profile. So that is how you can easily join into your first alliance in WestGame 2. It is a major milestone that sets you up for long-term success. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.